Oh my goodness. Look at this water with the UV, bro. Normal, right? Normal, right?
Yep.
Oh,
Look at that. Let's see what this is. It looks close, doesn't it?
Yeah. Felt the water rippling from the other one submerging. Holy cow, why are these guys bolting?
still alive?
Yeah.
It don't beat that one that, remember the one you
I
sent me?
know.
That was the best I've ever.
Come on, you gonna open your little mouth?
Put him back on the road.
I'm trying now. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Did you see that? Defensive.
Go out in the woods, bro.
Oh, there's that mouth, dude.
Cottonmouths. Oh, yeah, totally did. That's why they call them the Cottonmouths.
That is super cool, man. Woo!
Go that.
So that's a big pleco right there.
Plecostomus, yeah. That's hypostomus. That's a largemouth bass.
Largemouth.
That's a nice pounder too. I'm surprised I'm not seeing smaller ones. When we go further down, this one. Oh, he's big.
He's waiting for one of those walking catfishes to run up into him.
Yeah, I got him. That's sick, dude.
That's a walking catfish. You see this gill body licking fish?
Oh, yeah.
The fish he's bumping into. Right there, he's swimming under.
Yeah.
Is a bluegill.
Interesting.
That's a native bluegill. It's a type of sunfish.
He ran off on us.
Oh, look. Get to this peninsula right here.
That's crazy.
Yeah, a lot of
going, dude? Swing into my lily pads. Here you go, Gator. That's a big boy, dude. Someone jump in with him. Oh yeah. Which one? That gator's big, bro.
Yeah, I'll tell you, most of the gators out here about that size.
You scared so. Look, see the clouds?
That dude is huge. Holy cow. That's wild.
It's a filter.
The old Huck Dewey filter.
That's huge. Look at that little bowl. That's dope. I haven't really been looking with the light. I should though. What's up, homie? Oh my goodness. Dude, you are huge. That is a big gator, dude. That is a big gator. What's up, buddy? Where's your front teeth? He's a big one too.
Oh, he snapped at that fish.